Nagkakilala kami ni Love or Beshi.
Way back year 2020, naging friends kami for...
Yung friendship kasi namin, parang sobrang close namin.
So, time will come na I realize may gusto ako sa kanya.
Wow! Thank you! Thank you! Nandyan. Lever 8 ang number 1. Inom. Parang na-amaze lang ako. Ang tingin niya nun as a friend, pero syempre, iba yun. Iba yung dati.
Wag kang pong mag-alala kasi kahit mag-asawa na po ako, tutulungan ko pa rin si mama at saka yung mga kapatid ko. Salamat po. AMG.
Woo!
Oh, galing.
Kaya mag-alala pa kahit mag-asawa na naman. Nandito lang ako palagi para sa inyo. Hindi ko lubos maisip na yung katagay ko noon ay kasabay ko na ngayon. Kasabay sa pagbuo ng pangarap. I am lucky to find both friendship and love in you. You were there when I needed most and still there when I needed less. From being my best friend up to being my partner and now my husband.
The wind in your hair, the ocean in your eyes, the touch of your skin when I hold you against mine.
Ang sarap magmahal ng taong hindi mo kaharap, ikaw pa din ang hinahanap. Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon dahil He planned the best for us. Yung love story natin, nagsimula muna sa friendship. Dahil doon, lalo nating nakilala ang isa't isa bago naging tayo.
I vow to support and keep this bond we are having at the moment. I promise to be the last face on your departure and first when your arrival. And love, palagi mong tatandaan na mas mamahalin pa kita bukas. Kahit na meron tayong mga hindi mapagkakasunduan, makinig ka lang palagi sa akin para walang doon. I love you.
It's been you. It's always been you. It's been you. It's always been you. It's been you.
I still remember way back 2020, noong hinahatid at sinusundo mo ako as a friend. You always care so much to the people around you. And doon palang sinabi ko na kawawa naman to kapag tatandang mag-isa. Ayun, kaya pinagbigyan ko yung plan ni Lord para sa buhay mo. Pinagbigyan ko siya na magkaroon ka ng partner na hindi ka lolokohin at lagi kang aalagaan.
Panis. MMK or magpakailan?
Ala, nanginginig.
Oh, 5,000!
Hi, love. It's finally our moment as I get ready to walk down the aisle in front of our people where I get to marry my person, my home, and my best friend. You are my everything.
Jeff, Marisa, tatandaan niyo palagi ito. Dapat
na maging malikhain ang isang mabuting pag-aasawa. Hawakan natin lagi ang kamay ng ating kapareha. Lagi natin alalahanin na sabihin ang salitang mahal kita.
As your best friend, I pledge to support your dreams, to be the voice on the other end of the line, cheering you up, lifting you up, until that distance is just a memory. I promise in front of our people, and with God on top, and this moment and on, I am yours until the end. I love you.